In this video, I'm going to show chatbot clone I have built.
This is community page where you can find all prompts generated by other users.
You can click on any prompt to start conversation to get help about your questions.
There are unlimited prompts of each category. You can choose as per your needs to boost your work. Not only this, you can save any prompt in your dashboard, labeled with any category you want. You can get history of all previous chats in chat page. And you can click on any chat to reopen the conversation. Here is demo to save prompt. Just click on Save button and name the category you want save. And it will save prompt to your main page. In conversation page, you can ask your questions to get help. So if you want to have same AI Chatbot, you can contact us on our WhatsApp. Link is put in description of this video.